Hello friends, warm greetings from Aglavi Academy. Today we are going to see the next important question from fuzzy logic. Two fuzzy sets A and B both define on X as follows. The fuzzy set A 0.1, 0.6, 0.8, 0.9, 0.7, 0.1. Then fuzzy set B 0.9, 0.7, 0.5, 0.2, 0.1, 0. Okay. Express the following lambda cut sets using Zade notation. For solving this question, we are going to write the fuzzy set A equal 0.1 by x1, 0.6 by x2, 0.8 by x3, 0.9 by x4, 0.7 by x5, 0.1 by x6. Okay. Then we are going to write the fuzzy set B as 0.9 by x1, comma 0.7 by x2, 0.5 by x3, 0.2 by x4, 0.1 by x5, 0 by x6. Okay. So here they are asking A intersection B 0.6. For finding this one, we should find the A intersection B first. We knew that A intersection B means in fuzzy logic, we are going to find the minimum value between the fuzzy set A and B. Okay, here 0.1, here 0.9. Which one is minimum? 0.1. Okay. Then here 0.6, here 0.7. Which one is minimum? 0.6. Next one, here 0.8, here 0.5. Which one is minimum? 0.5. Then here 0.9, here 0.2. Which one is minimum? 0.2. So next 0.7, 0.1. Which one is minimum? 0.1. Then here 0.1, here 0. Which one is minimum? 0. So for A intersection B, we are having 0.1, 0.6, 0.5, 0.2, 0.1, 0. Okay, so it is the answer for A intersection B. But they are asking A intersection B with lambda value 0.6, which means we should choose the values greater than or equal to the lambda value. Okay. So here the lambda value is 0.6, which means we should select the value greater than or equal to 0.6. Okay, in the set 0.6, then 0.6 only satisfy the condition the lambda value must be greater than or equal to 0.6. Okay, so we can write the answer for this question: A intersection B lambda 0.6. So here we are going to write the variable name only. So the answer is x2. So A intersection B 0.6 equal to x2. Okay. So the next one is A union A bar 0.7. Here we are having the fuzzy set A 0.1, 0.6, 0.8, 0.9, 0.7, 0.1. Now we are going to calculate the value for A bar, which means we are going to subtract 0.1 from 1. So 1 minus 0.1, 0.9, 1 minus 0.6, 0.4, 1 minus 0.8, 0.2, next 1 minus 0.9, 0.1, next 1 minus 0.7, 0.3, next 1 minus 0.1, 0.9. So this is the value for A bar. So now we are going to find the E union A bar. So here union means we should find the maximum value between A and A bar. Here 0.1, here 0.9, which is maximum 0.9. Then here 0.6, here 0.4, which one is maximum? 0.6. Then here 0.2, 0.8, which one is maximum? 0.8. Then here 0.1, 0.9, which one is maximum? 0.9. Here 0.3, here 0.7, which one is maximum? 0.7. So here 0.9, here 0.1, which one is maximum? 0.9. So the value for A union A bar is 0.9 comma 0.6 comma 0.8 comma 0.9 comma 0.7 comma 0.9. Here they are asking A union A bar with lambda value 0.7, which means we choose the value greater than or equal to 0.7. So the first one x1 satisfy the condition, next one 0.8 satisfy the condition, then 0.9 satisfy the condition, then 0.7 satisfy the condition, and 0.9 satisfy the condition. So the answer is A union A bar with lambda value 0.7 is equal x1 comma x3 comma x4 comma x5 comma x6. Okay. Now we move to the third one. The third one is A intersection B the whole bar 0.7, which means we should find the value A intersection B first, then we find the complement for that, then we find the lambda value. Okay, so the value B is 0.9, 0.7, 0.5, 0.2, 0.1, then 0. First we are going to find the A intersection B. We knew that A intersection B means the minimum value. So the minimum value is 0.1 comma 0.6, then 0.5, 0.2, 0.1, then 0. So this is the minimum value. Then we are going to find the A intersection B the whole bar, which means 1 minus 0.1, 1 minus 0.6, 1 minus 0.5, 1 minus 0.2, 1 minus 0.1, then 1 minus 0. So what is the value? 0.9, 0.4, 0.5, 0.8, 0.9, then 1. So the value for A intersection B the whole bar is 0.9, 0.4, 0.5, 0.8, 0.9 and 1. Here they are asking the A intersection B the whole bar with lambda cut 0.7, which means we should find the value greater than or equal to 0.7. So 0.9 satisfy the condition, next 0.8, next 0.9 and 1. So the totally 4 variables satisfy the conditions. So the answer for A bar, A intersection B the whole bar with lambda cut 0.7 is, okay, so the value is x1 comma x4 comma x5 comma x6. Okay, got it? So next one is So next one is A bar union B bar with lambda cut 0.7. So previously we derived the A bar value. Now we are going to derive the B bar value. So B bar is equal 1 minus 0.9, 0.9, then 1 minus 0.7, 0.3, next 1 minus 0.5, 0.5, 1 minus 0.2, 0.8, 1 minus 0.9, 0.9, 1 minus 0, 1. Okay, so it is the value for B bar. Here they are asking A bar union B bar. So which means we are going to find the maximum value between A bar and B bar. So here 0.9, here 0.1. So the answer is 0.9. Then here 0.4, here 0.3, 0.4. Then here 0.2, here 0.5. So 0.5. Then here 0.1, here 0.8. So the answer 0.8. Here 0.3, here 0.9. Which one is maximum? 0.9. Then 0.91. Which one is maximum? 1. Okay, so it is the answer for A bar union B bar. So we need the answer for A bar union B bar with lambda cut 0.7, which means we are going to select the values greater than or equal to 0.7, which means so 0.9 satisfy the condition. So next one is 0.8, then 0.9, then 1. So the answer is A bar union B bar with lambda cut 0.7 is equal x1 comma x4 comma x5 comma x6. I hope everyone understand the concept and enjoying the session also. Thank you friends. If you like my videos, please like, share and comment. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe it. For further updates, you can join in the Telegram group. The link for the Telegram group is provided in the video as well as in the description box. Kindly refer it. Once again, thank you all.